Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we're going to run Alpha 1 Trader. It's a free worldwide binary option robot that you also can run completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. So also make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next. And if you have any question, put them below the video. So let's start up this amazing robot.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding till we take. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away. Run away, run away, run away, run Getting stronger every day. Do the bullets and the flames, but the fire's in your eyes and there's
Okay, not so much action today, just a couple of dollar profit. We take that also, no need to run more today. I see that the market is not so good. But the robot, at least, you can see that it's just not taking trades to take trades. You see it's very careful with the trades it's taking. I think we did run the robot for more than 20 minutes. So 2 trades in 20 minutes, what you can say, boring for me. But at least we made profit, happy with that. Let's start it up again tomorrow. So with that, have an amazing day.